Does your home feel a little plain or like it's missing that designer touch? Today I'm taking you inside West Elm and sharing 10 easy ways to make your home look expensive. These are quick updates you could use right now to elevate your space, no designer required. Make sure that you stick around for tip 10 because it's the easiest way to transform an empty corner instantly, and the best part, it doesn't require any maintenance. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki D, and if you're new here, I'm a formally trained interior designer here to help you make your home look high-end without spending a fortune. This is the second video in my new store series. Last week we went inside Pottery Barn and you all voted for West Elm as the next stop. After this, we'll be heading to our house and Crate & Barrel. So don't forget to subscribe and comment below which one you want to see next. West Elm has the same parent company as Pottery Barn, but the vibe is totally different. Their pieces lean modern contemporary with a strong mid-century influence. You'll see clean lines, sculptural shapes, and curved silhouettes. Price-wise, it's usually more affordable than Pottery Barn, but still higher than what you'll find at Target or Walmart. The closest store to me isn't huge, but trust me, there's still plenty of inspiration. Let's head inside and I'll show you exactly how to bring these ideas into your home. Lighting is the jewelry of the room, and if you've been here for a while, you know I always stress the importance of layered lighting. West Elm has everything from sculptural table lamps and sconces to oversized floor lamps and dramatic chandeliers. One of my favorites was a pair of cocoon-shaped pendants that come in two sizes. Just adding one to your living room, bedroom, or dining area is going to make a bold statement. For a modern vibe, I love this 3-light chandelier. It's sleek, sculptural, and comes in both gold and bronze. I prefer the gold, but what about you? Now, if you want a simpler upgrade, a table lamp with a sculptural base or a pleated shade can completely change the mood, and it's one of the fastest ways to elevate a room. Curves are everywhere right now in sofas with rounded arms, arched headboards, or accent chairs that feel like a warm hug. Adding one curved piece softens those straight edges and creates flow. In this setup, the round side table, kidney-shaped coffee table, and curved swivel chair balance the straight chase sofa and layered rug. That mix is what gives a space that designer look. If you want a bigger statement, I love this curved chase sectional. It's comfortable, stylish, and a bestseller for a reason. The ivory boucle version they had on the floor was stunning, but they've updated it with a camel basket weave performance fabric, which is perfect if you have kids, pets, or love to entertain. Let me know in the comments which version you prefer. Pro tip, when shopping for a new sofa, always order free fabric swatches and create a floor plan before buying. Measure twice, order once, so you avoid returns. There's a free PDF below you can download to make it easier, and I highly recommend you do not skip this step. One of the easiest ways to make a home feel expensive is through layered textures. West Elm is great at mixing linen, boucle, velvet, and wool. Start with your sofa, get rid of the flat pillows it came with, and add a mix of fabrics in throw pillows and blankets. This is also the easiest way to bring in a trendy color for the season without committing long term. Another favorite trick is layering rugs. Add a larger jute or sisal rug underneath your current rug for contrast and scale. This design trick is a lifesaver if you've rearranged your furniture and suddenly your rug feels too small. Remember, all or at least the front legs of your furniture should be on your rug for the proper balance. Let me know your thoughts on layered rugs. Would you try this look, or do you prefer just one big rug? When it comes to texture, it's not just about fabrics, it's about the materials you use too. Add wood, raffia, stone, or textured ceramics to round out the look. This linen sofa setup is the perfect example. It has layered pillows, a chunky throw, a textured rug, and sculptural ceramics. It's that mix of smooth and rough, shiny and matte that gives your room depth and a luxe layered look. High-end spaces usually start with a neutral base of creams, taupes, and camel. The secret is to layer in darker tones like black, brown, navy, or olive for contrast. That's what keeps a neutral palette from looking flat. Most people keep their furniture for a decade or more, so unless there's a color you'll always love, stick to neutrals. From there, you can easily swap in seasonal accents like terracotta pillows for fall or blue tones for summer. Pillows are actually my favorite way to start when creating a color palette, and West Elm has some great options. Choose a pillow that has 3 to 5 colors in it to create your color scheme. My go-to formula is to use 3 neutrals as the base and then 1 or 2 accents for balance. How do you feel about neutral spaces? Is that how you design, or do you love bold color? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Accent chairs are the modern upgrade to the old sofa and love seat combo. They instantly add personality and style. Get creative with your furniture layout. Balance a sectional with one chair or use a pair opposite or at the sides of your sofa. A symmetrical layout is going to feel more formal, while asymmetry is going to lean more casual. Look for curved lines, sculptural silhouettes, or mixed materials. The chair fabric and color that you choose should complement your sofa, but it doesn't need to match. Combine a linen sofa with a leather chair, or add a boucle swivel chair for texture and comfort. Swivel chairs are very popular and practical because they let you turn toward the conversation no matter where it's at. Here's a little shopping tip you may not know. Check your local West Elm store. Floor samples often go on clearance and you could save hundreds of dollars. My store had this sculptural leather chair in camel marked down to $700, but online it's still over $1,100. You'd be surprised by what you find because most of the time you can only get those kind of deals in outlet stores. And since your coffee table is always front and center, let's talk about how to make that piece feel designer. Your coffee table sets the tone of your living room. Instead of a basic rectangle, West Elm has styles with sculptural shapes, pedestal bases, nesting tables, and marble tops. A unique coffee table is going to feel like a piece of art in the center of your room. Round coffee tables are going to soften straight lines, while mixed materials like stone with wood legs will add warmth and repetition throughout a space. A nesting coffee table with raffia and walnut in different levels is going to add contrast, texture, and interest. A pro tip, always make sure that you leave at least 18 inches of space between your coffee table and the seating area. That's the sweet spot for comfort and flow. And speaking of mixing things up, mixed materials is a signature designer move. In a living room, a two-tone media cabinet takes the attention off the TV black box. My favorite mixed material piece is this marble wood and brass drink table with mid-century styling. It's practical and sure to be a conversation starter at your next party. Using wood and marble nightstands with gold accents in a bedroom is going to help tie all the finishes in your room together. Even your lighting can have mixed materials like this jute and linen pendant. Just remember, less is always more. Pick 1 or 2 statement pieces with mixed materials and keep the rest solid. That way you avoid a busy, chaotic look. By far, my favorite pieces at West Elm are the small drink tables. They're the best and super affordable. You can add one next to a sofa or an accent chair, and suddenly your space is going to feel layered and intentional. I personally have 2 small drink tables from West Elm in my home, a marble and brass seat table and another that's all brass and is perfect for any design style. West Elm has sculptural tables in wood, metal, and stone, and most are in the $100 price range, which is fabulous. There's even a set of 2 wood tables that gives you more surface area and an updated look. They could be styled together or moved around as needed. I'm obsessed with this gold pedestal table, but I already own 2 and a third might be overkill. Plus, I don't think I could justify it to my husband. This just goes to show you how good the designs are. You're probably going to want more than one too. You could even add a stone composite table outside to elevate your patio. Just make sure to keep it inside during the winter to protect it. West Elm is a go-to for apartment dwellers who need storage and function in one. It's especially popular in urban areas where space is limited and storage is essential. That's why you'll find so many multi-purpose pieces that combine function and style. Designers are often hired to help homeowners maximize their space and create different zones for multiple activities. Inside my course, Designer Home 101, I even have a questionnaire that will help you analyze your space and all the purposes you need it to serve. If you're interested, there's a link below. This could be nightstands with pull-out boards for extra surface space or bookshelves that double as room dividers. Place one behind your sofa and it instantly works as both a sofa table and bookcase, giving you storage plus a spot to style decor. You can even build your own setup with the modular Pierce collection. Add a wall desk into the bookshelf system and you have a stylish home office. In small spaces, every piece needs to work double duty. That's the secret to a room that feels intentional and designer. No designer room is complete without greenery. West Elm has faux plants in all sizes with or without planters, so you can mix and match. Their oversized planters come in ceramic, matte black, concrete, or even mixed materials. Just add a sculptural planter with a faux tree to an empty corner and you'll instantly elevate the look with no maintenance required. One oversized planter is going to make a bigger impact than 3 smaller pieces and instantly gives your room life. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You now have 10 easy ways to make your home look expensive West Elm style. Whether you shop directly at West Elm or just use these ideas as inspiration, I hope this helps you design a home you love on any budget. Make sure to drop your vote in the comments right now. Do you want to see our house or Crate and Barrel next? I'm letting you decide where we shop next. Now, if you're ready to take your design skills to the next level, check out my course, Design a Home 101, where I'll walk you through step-by-step designing your dream room. It's linked below along with my blog and storefront so you can shop all my favorite pieces. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you hit subscribe so that you're first to catch next Sunday's video. If you enjoyed this one, make sure that you hit like, share it with a friend, and check out this video next for more budget-friendly designer tips you could start using today. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next week. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.